Alright, so it's been a couple weeks since I've updated this channel, and I have been working on this every day, I promise. Well, not every day. I guess I've missed a couple days. But this is what I was working on, and I've all done the modeling process. These are vehicles that are kind of procedural. So, in say like in a video game where you have a vehicle or a gun, any kind of weapon that you start out with, the base model, and then as you level up, the weapon, it adds more features to it. Well, this is kind of what this is as well. If you look at these vehicles that I've created, there's a base model right here in the middle. And then as you level them up, you get like these rocket launchers and machine guns, and this is like I think this would be like a laser and a tripod here, which you can put any of these tops on to fit on top of this kind of tripod walker. But yeah, we'll go through all these and just kind of look at them. Some have three wheels, some have four, some have little trailer here in the back. This here is kind of like a tank with tracks on it. So yeah, these are the vehicles and they're basically the same except they evolve, from the base model into each of these add-ons that you would see in like a video game. So that's it. The next video you'll see is I'll have these all textured and looking nice, and that will end this project. So in the next video we will do that.